Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Zerion smart wallet option. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Zerion app, and then go to the settings menu, which is on the bottom left corner. And in the settings menu you will see on the top of the screen these little story icons, and you will have to tap on the Zerion smart wallet, which is, for me, it is the first one, but the order might change, so you just have to look for the Zerion smart wallet. And when you tap on it, you will see a few informations about this feature introducing the Zerion smart wallet. It is a new feature on the app. Ensure you have the latest version is installed. So if you want to access this feature, you have to check for updates. One wallet to do it all. Turn your phone into Web3 mission control. So this means that you will have access to all your Web3 assets in one place. You can trade NFTs, cryptos, and you can communicate on the Web3. Your entire Web3 portfolio in one place. Track your complete portfolio across every wallet, every asset, every chain. Track and trade across 10 plus networks and 500 protocols. Explore Web3 with people you trust. Follow wallets and NFT collections. Build your Web3 community and identity. Start your Web3 journey. And that's pretty much it. How the new Zerion smart wallet works. You just have to tap on connect wallet, and you have to connect an existing wallet, or you can create a Zerion wallet and you can start using it as your main Web3 hub, as they say. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.